So the Consumer Product Safety Commission, everybody's probably heard of the CPSC. They are the government agency that's responsible for making sure that products are safe. Products that are sold through retailers are safe. Everybody has heard of companies being forced to recall products, and the way they get that involuntary recall is typically through some order associated with the CPSC, the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Obviously, as lawyers that handle products liability cases, we from time to time work with products that have been involuntarily recalled. In other words, the company didn't decide to recall on their own. There was some investigation conducted by the CPSC, and sometimes they've given the company the option to recall the products before they issue an involuntary recall. But either way, when a product is recalled, generally speaking, the product is removed from all the retailers' shelves. So places like Amazon, Target, both brick and mortar and online retailers who actually get the product from a company distribution source or a producer's source have to stop selling the product. And so the company will take steps to remove those products from the shelves of the brick and mortar stores or from the internet inventory of official online retailers. However, in the day and age of the internet, as everybody is aware, if you have Facebook Marketplace or eBay or any other secondary retailer where you're not buying it directly from the original retail outlet, products that have been recalled can actually legally be sold on places like Facebook Marketplace or eBay or one of these other secondary markets you pick, where people buy and sell goods between each other, and they use the internet website as a listing service mainly.
Spotlight on America searched Facebook Marketplace.
Fisher-Price Rock and Play, being sold right now for $15.
And found not just one, but two recalled Rock and Plays being offered for sale on separate days, and other recalled products too.
A Boppy pillow, original, and it says sold.
Like the Boppy Pillow Lounger, more than 3 million recalled after at least 8 infant deaths.
We are on eBay now.
And not just on Facebook.
Original Boppy pillow.
But also other resale sites like eBay and Craigslist. In 2017, the Consumer Product Safety Commission reported the average product return rate after a recall was just 6%, meaning 94% remain in consumer hands.
One of the products that we're working on currently that is available in a secondary market, mainly Facebook Marketplace, is the Boppy newborn lounger. In fact, this is one we bought and was shipped. It was shipped to us recently after buying it on Facebook Marketplace. So this is just an illustration how these products that have been recalled, now this is one that's got a cover on it, but the newborn lounger is currently a case that we're working on against the Boppy company. And the lounger itself is covered in this cover, but this is what it looks like when it's provided. This is not the nursing Boppy pillow that maybe everybody is familiar with, but this is the newborn lounger that they produced and sold for several years, and then they recalled it in 2021. Despite it being recalled in the summer of 2021, we're now in the summer of 2023, and this pillow was purchased within the last week and a half on Facebook Marketplace. Nothing prohibits an individual right now from selling a recalled product. And it's very difficult probably to police that. But it's important for people to know that if you're on Facebook Marketplace and you're buying things, especially if you're buying things for your baby or a health-related item, you probably should do a Google search and make sure that particular item is not the subject of a recall, because just because it's for sale on Facebook Marketplace doesn't mean that somebody has checked that for you. You have that security when you go to an original retailer like Amazon or Target or some other place that is required by law to remove those things from its shelves, either virtual shelves or actual shelves, once the recall is issued. So you cannot rely on online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or eBay to remove recalled products from the listing, because those are controlled generally by the listing person. And there is no process right now in place to make sure those people remove recalled products from the online listing. So you should be aware of that. We're going to post some articles that speak to this. There was a couple of TV programs that we're going to link to this underneath here. There was also an article that our firm was partly featured in recently that related to the Boppy newborn lounger. If you have questions about any recall issue or any secondary market type device, and you have questions, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.